lovely guys. Anyway, this is one of my stew chicken and rice and peas which I make, and definitely it will be coming very soon to my YouTube channel. This is a new version of it right here. Look at the rice and peas, really lovely and nice. As you can see, exactly what I'm talking about right here. It's fantastic, and I know you guys will definitely love this one. But anyway, as I said, this is just one of my new version. I'm gonna be releasing the video very quickly, and hopefully guys will definitely love this rice and peas and brown stew chicken. It is an amazing recipe, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching the Chef Rakano Cooking Show. A lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming for you guys. Let's take a good look at this one. Really nice and lovely and fantastic. Amazing recipe. Let's give it a lovely scan over here. Yeah, nice. Today, this is one of my favorite dish. Okay. Really nice and coming soon.